Hi, my name is Camilo. I have a company called Connecto, and we do a lot of video production. And I wanted to share my thoughts and kind of first impressions of the Peak Design travel backpack. I've got to use it for 3 shoots, and it's been amazing. So I've always been struggling to have a simple way to carry my gear around. You know, I've had numerous bags, cheap ones, expensive ones, and you know, I even thought about the Peak Design, the normal backpack, like the 30 liter or the smaller one, but I knew they wouldn't fit what I needed. And when I saw the travel line, I saw that it had this modular system. I immediately knew that this was something that I wanted to try. So I got the travel backpack in green, in sage, and I got it with 2 small cubes plus a large cube. For me, what was important is kind of keeping all my important gear in one place. And so far I've been super pleased, especially the modularity of it. You know, I have the small camera cube, and I have a G7, Panasonic G7 mirrorless in there, plus I have my DJI and a couple other things, my Mavic. And what's great about this is when you get to a shoot, you can leave your bag, take out the small cube, strap it with the clips, and kind of bring it with you as something. You know, like if I go outside and have to shoot some drone shots, I can bring the whole bag with me without kind of leaving it. Plus, and if I'm on a shoot where I don't need the drone, I can just leave this behind, and that just makes it super convenient. Tech pouch is so smart. You know, they built something that you can drop all that crap that you always carry with you into, and kind of keep it organized, and it opens up so nicely so you can see everything you need. And I put a battery pack. I have this really great LED light that I like, you know, so I can see the bag at night when I'm shooting. Things that are amazing are the backpack straps. They fold in, the waist strap folds in, and you know, when I'm on a shoot, I just tuck these straps in, leave the flap open, and when I need to carry it, it has this awesome handle that I can carry it around. Obviously, you can figure computer, everything else you need, but just the amount of space that you get to store everything and to take your gear is amazing. I always dreamed of having a studio and a backpack when I was younger. I always wanted to have kind of everything, and I'm nearly there. You know, if there was a way to get tiny light stands and, you know, soft boxes in here, that would be really cool. But, you know, the fact that I can get nearly everything that I need for a shoot in one bag, and then it's modular, so I can take the pieces that I need, leave the pieces that I need, and set it up in a way that makes it super efficient is amazing. Obviously, when I ordered it on Kickstarter, I got all the packing cubes and the stuff that you can carry your clothing with. I haven't really tried any of that. It all feels really good, but I haven't really used it for a trip. I certainly will, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. But as a camera bag, it's perfect, and so I'm really enjoying it. Really like the hardware, the color. I think this is going to be a bag that holds up, and you know, I look forward to dragging along with me for many future shoots. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on the bag, let me know.